Around 26 lakh diyas will be lit in more than 50 ghats of Ayodhya during the Deepavali celebrations. Remember, when we mention Deepavali, the one place that comes to mind is Ayodhya. And it's a tradition that has continued. And with this event, the UP government also aims to set a new Guinness World Record. Along with this, major intersections across Ayodhya, including the Tulsi Udyan crossing, Hanumangarhi crossing, as well as the Lata Mangeshkar Chowk, have all been lit up. In fact, the Ram Janmabhoomi temple has also been decorated with flowers and special attire also being prepared for Lord Ram. A procession will also be taken out in Ayodhya ahead of Deepotsav. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be attending the Deepotsav events, as has been the tradition, as he has been doing. The Chief Minister will in fact reach Ayodhya by 2:30 p.m. and will participate in many events.
अयोध्या ऐसी लग रही है कि जैसे कोई दुल्हन सजी होती है, उस टाइप में लग रही है अयोध्या। आज के दिन तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि चमन बरस रहा हो जैसे अयोध्या में। ये बहुत ही आकर्षक और बहुत ही सुंदर और भव्य दृश्य लग रहा है, जो मैं हमेशा से देखते आ रहा हूँ और जब से एक अलग ही रूप में ये हमेशा दिख रही है।
दीपावली के ये उत्सव देखने के लिए आए हैं अयोध्या में, और यहाँ पर जो राम की पेड़ी पर आयोजन होगा, जिसमें योगी जी आएंगे और महाआरती होगी, उन सबको देखने के लिए, दीपावली मनाने के लिए हम यहाँ आए हैं।
त्रेता युग का नजारा देखने को मिल रहा है। जो अयोध्या का निर्माण कार्य हुआ, काफी अच्छा हुआ है। उसमें मतलब अयोध्या को दुल्हन की तरह सजाया गया है।
My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what the celebrations are going to be planned like. And Adib, it's become a tradition now. Ayodhya is one place the entire country thinks of, and we mentioned Deepavali as well. Thousands of diyas being lit up, the entire city being illuminated. Today, the Chief Minister is expected to be in the city. What are the details of his itinerary and the events that have been planned?
Well, Pratibha, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will arrive in Ayodhya at around 2:30 p.m. First, he will take part in different events that has been organized for Deepotsav. And later in the evening at around 5 p.m. he will participate in the Deepotsav, in which the Uttar Pradesh government plans to eliminate at least 26 lakhs diyas, and they're going to create another Guinness World Record. Remember, each and every year Uttar Pradesh government is creating a new world record with lighting up more than 20 lakhs diyas, but now this time the Uttar Pradesh government has set an aim for lighting up 26 lakh diyas, and this will be a new world record. All the ghats of Ayodhya, including the ghats at Ram Ki Paidi, Ram Katha Park, they all have been decorated. They all are set for the grand Deepotsav that will take place this year. Okay, all right. Do stay with us, Adib. We will, of course, be coming back to you through the day for the updates as well. The Chief Minister is expected to arrive there. The entire country is in celebratory mode because Deepavali is just hours away, and ahead of Ayodhya's grand Deepotsav celebrations, the BJP has also cited a comment of the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav and accused him of spreading anti-Hindu narrative. Sharing his video, the BJP alleged that the Samajwadi Party chief has questioned the need for spending huge sums of money on lighting diyas and candles. The BJP says Akhilesh also drew a parallel with Christmas celebrations and asked people to learn from it. The Samajwadi Party has defended Akhilesh, saying this comment was taken out of context. Listen in.
दिए की जगह मोमबत्ती का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, संख्या घट गई है। पिछले बार से ये देखा जाता है कि जब दिवाली का ये फोटो होता था, उसके दूसरे दिन जो
देर आए,
गरीब लोग
छोड़िए, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, और क्या बोले उस पर क्या बोलना, उसमें क्या बोलना। वो तो देखिए ऐसा है, हम सुझाव देना नहीं चाहते। नहीं, चलो दे दो सुझाव, भगवान प्रभु श्री राम जी के नाम पे सुझाव। रुक जाइए भाई, देखिए दुनिया में इस समय क्रिसमस का समय पूरी शहर जगमगा जाते हैं और महीनों जगमगा के रखते हैं वो लोग। उन्हीं से सीख लो बस। क्यों खर्चा करना बार बार दियों का, मोमबत्ती का, और ये दिमाग लगाना है? तो फिर क्या उम्मीद करोगे? ऐसा सगा हटाइए इसको, बहुत सुंदर रोशनी कराएंगे हम लोग।
जिन लोगों का राजनीतिक इतिहास अयोध्या को अंधकार में रखने का है, राम मंदिर मामले को लटकाने, अटकाने, भटकाने का है, जिन लोगों ने तो गर्व मनाया था कि राम भक्तों पर गोलियां चलाई, आज जब अयोध्या जी को दीपों से सजाया जाएगा और दुल्हन की तरह अयोध्या जी हर वर्ष अब योगी जी की सरकार आने के बाद जगमगाती है, तो उसका विरोध भी आज अखिलेश यादव, समाजवादी पार्टी, कांग्रेस और उसका इकोसिस्टम कर रहा है। सनातन विरोधी ये इकोसिस्टम है। ये वही अखिलेश यादव है जिन्होंने कहा था मठाधीश तो माफिया होते हैं, पर ये मौलवी पर कुछ नहीं बोलते। मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते आज किस प्रकार से सनातन विरोध, अयोध्या के विरोध में लगे।
So, Adib, what are the details of Akhilesh Yadav's statement? BJP says that this is yet another anti-Sanatan statement by Akhilesh Yadav. Any clarification, defense, apology coming in from the Samajwadi Party?
Well, Pratibha, Akhilesh Yadav, when he was addressing a press conference, he drew a comparison between Christmas and Diwali. He's saying that like the entire nation and the countries are being decked up for Christmas, it should be done for Diwali also. But he's forgetting the main thing, that Diwali is all about tradition. Diwali is all about diyas, and that's the main reason the Uttar Pradesh government lights up lakhs and lakhs of diyas every year on the poster. And when Akhilesh Yadav drew this comparison, BJP started hitting at him. BJP attacked Akhilesh Yadav, saying that this is the anti-Sanatan ecosystem that he's speaking about the poster. When Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party was in power, they never thought of Ayodhya. And now when the BJP is in power, they are thinking about the Ayodhya and the people of Ayodhya. Akhilesh Yadav even has a problem with it.
All right, Adib, thank you for joining us with those details. So, a controversy being sparked off by Akhilesh Yadav by making that statement, and now defense coming in from the Samajwadi Party.